Waze is a fantastic navigation app, and in this video we'll see how to use it while driving. So let's get started. This is the interface. You can move around by swiping the map and pinching on the screen. This car icon is my location. You'll probably have something else here. As you move around, you'll see stuff on the map. For example, these roads are red, which indicates that the traffic on those roads is heavy. You'll also be able to see the average vehicle speed on heavy traffic roads, but I think that's an estimation and the actual average speed is more. This car info option lets you choose your vehicle type. It has car and taxi types, and to be honest, I don't see much of the difference. Choosing the vehicle type would be helpful where there are specific laws for taxis maybe. Okay, before we drive, we must find a place to drive. Tap the search icon. You'll notice your recent trips and common places at the top. Type in where you wanna go. If the place comes up in the suggestions, tap it to see the options. If it's a business, you'll find the information such as business hours and phone numbers. We also have the address and distance from our location. To see all the routes, tap the blue button. You don't need to do anything if you want to go because Waze will automatically start the navigation. The best route is selected, but we see other routes with their times. To select a different route, tap on it. This leave later is to schedule trips. Tapping on it will show the traffic at different times and how long it will take to get there. To save time, click save on the top. You'll get reminders to leave on time. Okay, let's start the navigation. This is the navigation screen. This tiny button is the sound. It has 3 options listed on the screen right now. To see the trip info, tap this arrow. Here we'll find the trip progress with traffic data, add a stop and other quick options. Also we can see routes, share this ride and explore the trip overview. Let's add a stop now. Search for the place to add. I'll tap one of those quick options. Waze will show the place if it's a specific location, but for categories, we'll notice all the places close by. Also because we chose fuel, Waze is showing fuel stations with prices. These prices are updated by users regularly. To add a stop, tap on one. Then click this Go button. Lastly, tap the second button. Once the stop is added, you'll see the trip in 2 different colors. This is just to distinguish between both stops. At the bottom, we find the current stops overview now. To cancel only the stop, we must cancel the whole trip as Waze does not offer cancelling the stop. So let's do that and re-enter the address. It's time to drive and explore other features. Just drive on the highlighted path. If it goes right, go right, and if it goes left, go left. Waze has a music icon that shows the supported and installed apps. You must have those apps set up first. I have YouTube Music, so I see it on the list. To play, I'll tap on it and link both. Then managing YouTube Music from Waze is possible. This makes it easy as you won't need to switch apps. As you travel, you'll notice roads with red colored bars. These indicate heavy traffic on this road. The darker the color, the heavier the traffic. Waze also has this amazing feature of notifying speed cameras on your route. As you get close to a camera, it draws a flashing circle and warns you about it. We also notice the message at the bottom. If you look closely, you'll be able to see the tiny camera icon as well. Moving on, you see this yellow plus button. This is the reporting area. Users report to make Waze more useful for others. It supports reporting traffic, police, crashes, places and more. To report something, just tap that icon. The traffic report has 3 options, so we'll select the appropriate. Also, after tapping one, you don't need to do anything. Just wait a few seconds and the report will be automatically sent. If you are a new user, your report might not be visible instantly. Another great feature of Waze is calculating the vehicle speed. It's about 1 km/h less than the actual car speed. Waze also has the data for most road limits in many countries. It does not show it, but when you cross it, it beeps and shows it. Anyway, let's complete the trip. When you're close to the destination, Waze will display the data on the top. We can see the photo and the name of the place. You can tap the P icon to find a parking space nearby or mark your parking spot. All done. So this was using Waze while driving. Thanks for watching and take care.